Let's see how I create this animation into After Effects. Let's create a new composition. I am giving the name of this composition to main comp. You can see the rest of the settings on the screen. That's a good start. Now select the text tool and write O into the composition. For your reference, I am using the Bigo font, that I am increasing the size of the text to around 100 pixels and aligning it to the center. Also make sure that the anchor point is at the center. Fantastic. It's time to convert the text layer to a shape layer. After that, we can hide the text layer. The benefit of using a shape layer is that we can easily change the path of the shape. To animate the shape, go to the search bar and type path. Make sure the layer is selected. I'm basically adding 4 keyframes to animate the shape like this. So just follow the technique which I'm using here. Go to the first frame and change the outer shape layer something like this. Then go to the second keyframes and change the outer shape layer something like that, and so on. After checking the preview, you can make it shorter and turn them into easy ease keyframes to smooth out the animation. Then I am dragging the keyframes slightly forward into the timeline and adding opacity keyframes to animate the opacity of this shape. It's time to create a dot by using the ellipse tool. Like always, I align it to the center of the composition and make sure the anchor point is at the center of the shape. Let's quickly rename the shape and animate it using the scale property of this shape like this. Basically, I am creating 2 keyframes. So first keyframe is set to be 0% and the second keyframe set to be 100% scale. And you can see how I change the speed graph of this property. After that, I'm going to animate the position of this shape using the position property of this shape. Just add the keyframes and change the position of this shape. After that, don't forget to remove the handles. To remove the handles, just select the Convert Vertex tool and click on the path points. Then select all keyframes and ease them. Also change the speed graph like this. Nice. After that, again add more keyframes and change the position of this shape like this. So you can increase or decrease the distance between keyframes to get a perfect desired look. Only one tip I am sharing with you is that only the first and the last keyframe of position should be an easy ease keyframe. Between these two keyframes, all should be linear to achieve this look. After animating the dot, I am going to animate the path of the circle. You just need to find which point the dot touches the circle's inner line and make a keyframe according to the dot's movements. In a simple way, follow the dot's movements and adjust the shape of the circle according to the dot, like I am doing here. I know it's a totally manual job which is a time consuming animation, but the end result will make you happy. So I'm just quickly finishing this animation and moving forward. Alright, here is the preview. It's looking nice. Let's finish the animation by animating the dot using scale values. As we did before, we are creating two keyframes for scale values. First is a 100% percentage and the second keyframe is a 0% percentage. So it's very smoothly fade out or scale down. The only thing left is a circle in and out animation. It's also very simple, just add a keyframe of the outer layer path of the circle and change the shape like this. As I did before, just create a keyframe and select the inner part of the circle and drag it out like this. Check the ramp preview. Alright, so that's how you can create a unique loading animation in Adobe After Effects. That's it for now and see you in the next video.